My name is Logan Kulow, and this is my Bulldog story. So my dad's name is George Kulow, my mom's name is Tammy Kulow, and my little sister is Chloe. I was born in Plymouth, Wisconsin, at the hospital there, and immediately I was transported to the Children's Hospital of Wisconsin. They knew that I had something wrong with me before I was born. It's called an omphalocele. So basically my intestines were in a sac outside of my body, and they kind of just shoved them back in and sewed me up. I had a heart murmur that was pretty bad because I have a heart defect, but it's never really limited me at all. I was kind of a wild kid. I scraped my knees all the time, scraped my elbows. I played soccer since I was 5, I think, and it progressed from there. I played soccer pretty much my whole life. My dad was into sprint car racing from basically the same time I was, because his dad was a race car driver. His dad raced stock cars at Plymouth Dirt Track, which is a track close to my home. He was on a team with some of his friends. I had no idea what was going on when I was 4 or 5 years old. They put earmuffs on me and I just watched cars go around the track, flinging dirt everywhere. First time I drove, I think I was 4. I drove a go-kart, and I grew up driving go-karts and four-wheelers and was always messing around in the shop. I got interested in cars, and with that came the fabrication side of that. Building exhaust. I started welding, repairing exhaust for people, and really enjoyed welding. Our schools do a thing where the 8th graders will come up to the high school and explore the tech wing of our high school, and I got a chance to weld for real for one of the first times, and I thought it was awesome, and I was like, as soon as I can sign up for one of these classes, I'm signing up for it. I went to Plymouth Comprehensive High School, started welding classes sophomore year, and I fell in love with it. I just wanted to be the best I could in my class. That was my challenge for myself. I decided to go to Ferris after hearing that they had the welding technology program, actually from someone who went to my high school, and they said they loved it. I'm a very hands-on learner, and we have a lot of lab time, and I'm learning how to do things I've never thought I'd be doing. I'm in my sophomore year of the program. I'll get an associate's degree after this year, and then it's 2 more years for the engineering degree. I'm part of the Bulldog Motorsports Club, which is our club on campus. I'm also involved in the AWS, the American Welding Society. As you guys might know, I'm the host of College Kids Cars, because I like cars and I like talking about cars. And if anybody who knows me, that's pretty much all I talk about, that or welding. I got 2 years and some internships I'll have to be doing junior year and senior year. And after I graduate, I'd really like to go into automotive. My passion is truly vehicles. I love cars. So I want to do something like maybe custom chassis fabrication. I got stick and poke tattoo on my chest here with the number 33, which was my grandpa's racing number. It was a number I used when I was playing soccer, and it's just kind of been a number like that represented strength and just willing to go out and get stuff that you want to get. Like, he worked hard for his race cars, and I'll do the same for my job and my cars and my kids.